Hey guys, this is Helen Chong from Helen Group, and I know you guys been eagerly waiting to see the inside of this home. So today, Santana and I are going to show you guys around.
That's right, Helen. This property offers a perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and luxury living. Let us show you around.
Situated on a very wide and quiet street, this charming home boasts 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and spans across 1,914 square feet on a spacious 9,295 square foot lot. Just minutes away from bustling shopping centers and restaurants, from Cupertino Main Street to Westfield, Valley Fair, and Santana Row, you'll find everything you need nearby. For those who commute, this home offers easy access to St. Thomas Expressway, Freeway 280, making your daily travels a breeze. And as you step inside, we're greeted by a cozy fireplace in the living room, followed by 3 bedrooms. And 2 bathrooms on one wing of the house.
But wait until you see the heart of this home. Open up the pocket door, and you will find yourself in a spacious kitchen. And family room area, complete with its vaulted ceilings and beautifully tiled fireplace. The family room features 3 sliding doors and plenty of windows, allowing natural light to pour in and creating the perfect space for entertainment. And let's not forget about the laundry room, a full bathroom conveniently located next to the kitchen. Whether you're relaxing indoors or enjoying outdoors in the spacious backyard, this home truly has it all.
Yeah, so don't miss out on this rare opportunity to make this your dream home. And I hope that we will see you at our open house, or just feel free to schedule a showing with us.
Thank you for joining us,
and we look forward to seeing you soon.